In my opinion, agility is a way of life. And when you apply it to work, it is a way of work. I don't really talk about theory. We talk about from the level of application. And what Charles Darwin said, it's not the strongest of the species that survived. It's not the most intelligent. It is the one that adapts quickly to the change. So if you want to sustain and if you want to survive and if you want to thrive, what we need is agility at its core. And that's what I teach in my class. Not only about how things are supposed to be, but how things really are. How in real world things actually practically work. How we as human beings can adapt to change and how that adaptation can be visible in the work that we do. So if at the core we are not agile, if that agility is not there, then we can really not sustain and thrive in the system. So essentially, if you attend my workshop, you are not really going to get examples about how it should be. It's about how it is in the real world. You will learn about real examples of organizations, how organizations' transformations have happened, how cultures have transformed, how organization models are designed, and why these organizational models are designed in the way they are, what type of impacts it might have, what type of systemic constraints we might have to operate in, and how do we still overcome the challenges and the constraints that we have. We diversified in the work that we do. We have productized so many ideas, worked with multiple products in this organization that I'm currently working in, diversifying in software, diversifying in hospitality, diversifying in mechanical engineering, diversifying in educational domain. And when that happens, that's when the amalgamation of all those ideas bring in the real or the true value. That's what you want to relate to. So if you're in my class, I can promise you're not going to get bored. In fact, you will not realize how the time flew by. And I would probably keep you wanting for more information. So see you soon in one of my classes.